Hello, everybody. My name is Fabián Andrés Puentes. I am 30 years old. I am living in Sogamoso. I am studied every energy unat. I am like to the play soccer. I am like to the share my with family in the time love. It's please introduced on the most crucial festival departamento de Life Festival de Villa de Leyva, Boyacá. The charming Villa de Leyva on the departamento in Boyacá. Locally of three and from Bogota in celebrity in Christmas festival on the begun on the month December on 7 Gulfurt. Traditional many people go to the Amsin festival and they have an special moment charming tip why their relatives and friends in and loving time. The Lace Festival has taken place in beautiful colonial street of Villa de Leyva. To play tribute to Immaculate Conception in this occasion, the debates featuring companies competing and show fleets the balconies on the villa are decored with the lights, candles, and lanterns. The front and the Oisley night on the street of Villa de Leyva in an unique spectacle. Trins inviting many visitors to come and share the Colombia Christmas spirit and celebration and company beats Christmas. Short from music bands, exhibition on paintings and music. I want to hear really nice time kids party on months a magazine spectacle. Also you will have an your team time on Christmas. Thank you and use percentage trans by